Hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, July the 14th, 2021. The second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku, will be a number 3096. All right, let me zoom this further. Okay, yes. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult in generally, because sometimes it could be happen that a puzzle with 24 printed digits is faster than a puzzle with 25 or 26 printed digits. It depends if you have a lot of pairs or you have hidden numbers also. But all right, so let's get started. I see here an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. Should be there. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. We have I'm scanning, yes, scanning. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 8, 3, and 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, the 5 is missing. So 3, 8, 5. 3, 8, 5 are missing in this column. We see here the 5 and the 8, so no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and the 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. One number left in this column for number 3. Okay. 169, 169. Okay. 4, 4, 3, 3, 8, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay, in the first row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. So then 8 could be here, or there. We see there an 8, we see here an 8, so no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here 3 in the column next, so no 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. Well, another 3 here, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there, 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Alright, 2, 4, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. Okay. And now. How about the number? Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here, 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Okay. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9. 6 and then 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6. I'm scanning. 6, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. So the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. All right. All right. Mm-hmm. 722. Oh. Two numbers left. Wait. One number left in this third row. For the number 4, 4 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 9 and 7. Let me mark on those two boxes. 9 and a 7. 4. Alright. Alright. 6. Come on. 4, 7. 1 should be here, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 6, 7, 2. Here also 6, 7, and the 2. 6, 7, and a 2 in this column. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 here. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. Okay. 6 and a 2, 6 and a 2. How about those 3 and numbers 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. 4 and a 7. Yeah. Do I have all the 9s? No. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 7. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright. 6 and a 2. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 2. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 1. 1 number left in the last row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. one number left in this big square for number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4, and the final number of this big square for the number 4. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow! 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. I give this a 2 stars or a 1 star, and I'm very fast. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Let me give this a 2 stars. So you cannot tell. 4 stars, it's not really a 4 stars, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So publisher, give me more, really 4 stars. More difficult for the people who want this, find this easy to solve. Yes. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary puzzle is left, and a tectonic puzzle is left. See you then. Bye bye for now.